We're going to start talking about cardiovascular drugs. And excuse me, this first PowerPoint is a review introduction. And in class, we're also going to do a review of these concepts that are in this PowerPoint. So I'm going to have you pretty much review this on your own. So these are our objectives for this particular section. So remember the normal heart anatomy and how the blood flows through the heart, the structures that are involved, and kind of how that sequence goes. And then the getting down to the cardiac cells and their automaticity. If you remember, cardiac cells can beat on their own. They don't need any stimulation, but in order to coordinate, they need stimulation. And then the heart itself, if it was removed from an animal, would continue to beat for a while, all on its own. So there's an automaticity, and you need to know those basic, what's going on basically in the cell, because that is what we're going to manipulate to make the heart beat in a different way, either more forcefully or slow it down or increase its beat. So your book has a review of this on pages 116 to 122. And then there's this video, and it kind of goes through an animation of what's going on. It details both the pacemaker cell and the cardiac cell, but we're going to focus more on the muscular part of the heart, that myocardial cell, the cardiac myocardial cell. So I'm going to let you do this review on your own and answer a few questions.